On a recent trip to Mangalore, I came across a burger and fry shop manned by a one-man army on a mission to cook up for this port city the freshest and honestly priced burgers, sandwiches and fries.
I'm the founder, cook, cleaner, cashier.
My top pick here, the spicy chicken thigh burger, juicy and delicious. Fantastic. You got a nice cross section of the burger here. So you have the bun that's lightly toasted, and then you've got the chicken thigh that's marinated overnight in the buttermilk, and then you have the cabbage, and what is the sauce you said in this?
Red chili sauce.
The red chili sauce and some liquid cheese. And not to forget the tomato. It's always a nice sight when you see the meat in the burger spilling out beyond the bun itself. Enough talking, let's get to the eating. Was that spicy kick that I'm tasting in this?
So the red chili oil slaw is the spicy thing.
The chicken thigh is moist and it's got a lovely crunch in its crumbing. And the fresh crunch of the cabbage. And somewhere in there, you're also biting into the pulpy, acidic sweetness of the tomato. This is a burger that's quite spicy. So in this, you have two versions.
Yeah, so you have, for people who don't like spice, I have included tartar sauce and jerk sauce as well, for people who don't prefer spice. But nearly 95% of them will want the spicy one.
The spice today is a little more than what I tasted the last time.
Is it okay?
This was a burger that sold Agni's fish chicken fries to me. I like the manner in which he's given a spicy coastal touch to the burger. And I think when you eat a burger, it's also nice to see your meat. So it's not ground into some sort of a mash where you don't know what's gone into it. And secondly, also the ratio of the meat to the bun. Out here, that bun only serves to encase the burger. What you're tasting really is the meat and all the flavors that the meat has assimilated, along with that crunch of the cabbage and that pulpy bite of the tomato. Definitely a burger to have when you visit Kubla. And now for some of that ravas, the Indian salmon. Oh, this is a fish that's quite chunky.
Yes.
Oh, I love the flakes of fish. So the last time around when I came here, at that point Raveen was experimenting with the tilapia. And so it's nice to see that the tilapia has made way for the Indian salmon, because it's certainly a fish that has probably a lot more flavor. I can taste the flavor of the coconut oil in that.